Assalamu alaikum. This is Ahmed Touqeer. This session will cover detailed introduction and clarity about online arbitrage, retail arbitrage, and how it is different from wholesale and dropshipping. So, this is Ahmed Touqeer, Enablers Trainer. As far as my academic qualification is concerned, I had completed my MS in Industrial and Organization Psychology with the specialization in trainings and behavior modification, along with various international trainings and certifications. So, let's talk about online arbitrage. Maximum of students attract model of dropshipping just because of high margin and earliest response. But remember, students, there is no shortcut towards success. Amazon's strict policy and implementation of Section 3 make dropshipping model not reliable and long lasting. So, what is online arbitrage? Basically, we buy different products from online retailers and sell them at higher prices on Amazon, eBay, and other markets. In this model, we deal with thousands of retail websites which save our time and avoid rigorous process which we have to face in whole model. So there are different kind of uh, questions running in your mind. Let's talk about one by one. What is retail arbitrage? So students, when we purchase products from different retail shops by visiting them physically, I repeat, visiting them physically, we physically purchase it, change the products of change the box of that products and sell them on Amazon by using FBA. So this model is called retail arbitrage. And when we talk about online arbitrage, because as you all know, we are giving our services living in Pakistan or any other country. We can't visit the retail shop physically in of US and UK. So what we can do, we will purchase the products from their online website. We change the boxes using 3PL, third party logistics. If needed, we sell them products on Amazon using FBA. This way, we avoid to break Amazon policy. Now, what is the main difference between wholesale and online arbitrage? So, students, as we all know, in wholesale, we found brands, distributors, wholesalers. We just mail them, call them, and after getting retail account, which they give you, in a very difficult way. So, in the case, if they give you the permission, what will you do? You will scan catalog and their sheet and get profitable products. As you all know that we have to go from rigorous process of mailing them, calling them on daily basis, and they won't give you positive feedback that easily. This is time taking model. On the other hand, we found different retail websites, found profitable products, we just purchase them right away and send them to Amazon, which saves our time and give results more quickly. What is the main difference between, you know, online arbitrage and dropshipping? So my answer is in dropshipping, we sell the products which are not in our own possession, which means dropshipping, after getting an order, we fulfill that order through Costco or Sam's Club. Uh, and after that, what happened? Customer complains that I ordered product from Amazon but got the product in Sam's Club packaging. And after that, our account suspended. On the other hand, online arbitrage products are in our own possession, which means we purchase them first, we change the packaging and send it to Amazon as a FBA seller. This is the main difference. How does online arbitrage work? Students, we search for discounted products, on online retail store such as Target.com, Walmart.com, etc., we just look the same products on Amazon and calculate margin. When we found the profitable products, we sell them via FBM or FBA. One thing more, I would have to, I just want to add it. Just remember, students, we have not to breach the Amazon policy and must avoid IP complaint. At last, we can use Source Mogul and Technical Arbitrage tool to find same products which are selling on different websites. So, what are the main tools which we can use? These are the main 11 tools which you can use to start to work on online arbitrage model successfully. So, if you have a limited budget, these are the mandatory tools which you have to use. So, this is all. Thank you so much for your time. And this is all in this session. We will discuss different topics in next session, inshallah. Um, like roadmap, different kind of websites from which you can purchase the products, how you can use different kind of tools, how you can avoid IP complaint, and many more. At last, I will share the different kind of strategies, and also one thing more I just want to add, how to get maximum profit from your wholesale account while using online arbitrage model. Okay, so this is up. If you have any kind of query, do let me know. Feel free to ask me. Thank you so much for your time.